language, right? Yeah, then that is a so many reason, but it is depend upon person to person. How much time do you invest with language? It depend upon you, right? Yeah, people they always think about means perfection, and they never practice continuous. They don't have roadmap. They don't make bucket list. They don't anything. They think they don't know how to practice language. That is a big issue. They only think I talk with someone, then I can improve my language. Not like that. You have to focus LSRW regularly. I'm talking about well-educated people. I'm not talking about illiterate people. Illiterate people, what happened? They got atmosphere surrounding them. They always listen from someone. That's why they listen and they try to speak. But we don't have language partner and we don't get atmosphere where you listen with whom you speak. Right? Then you take two skill, listening and speaking. We don't have atmosphere, listening and speaking. Then we have to focus also reading and writing. Right? Then we can speak better English, but people they never do it because it depend upon person to person because they take their technique and formula, and it require 20% required theory, 80% required practice, right? It is a bitter truth, but people they don't know. Yeah, because they don't know because they focus 80% input and they focus 20% output. They never do. Yeah, they never do. They only think they don't know how to practice. They think because we have to practice, we have to how to means listening. We have to practice, right? Because we passive listener. We are not a active listener, right? We have to learn how to reading. We have to learn how to writing. We have to learn how to listening. We have to learn how to speaking. But we never reading writing. We know practice means listening and speaking, but not like that. Yeah. Yeah, we have to do regularly, simultaneously, continuously, then we can speak. We can convey our message. I'm not talking professional topic. Right, right. Because even though you see communication is a different and language is a different, both are different from each other. Language is a language means we can convey our message with whom we wanna talk. Right. Communication is an art. You can influence the crowd. You take topic. If you have deep knowledge about topic, then you take that topic and you go on the stage and you deliver your speech one or that topic, and people ready to listen your words what you want to means deliver your thought and information in front of them. They ready to listen you. Right, that communication is different. First, we have to focus language. After that, we go to communication. Communication is an art. You can influence the others. They're ready to listen your words 1 hour, 2 hours. You motivate them. Yeah, you motivate them, and you send your information through your communication. Right? You control their mindset. Well, means through your communication. Then communication is a different, right? Because if you have good knowledge about language, then you become a good communicator. You become a good speaker, right? But the people they never think I want to enhance my communication. Communication is also language, but that professional communication is a different. Language is different because we know how to interact with familiar people and known people, neighbors and relatives and friends, but we don't know how to interact with professional people. We don't know how to interact with well educated people. We have to learn, right? That communication is a different because if you stay with the well educated people, that mode of talking is a different. If you go to office, you always interact with your colleagues and your boss only professional topic, right? Not only a friendly topic, what do you eat, when you get up, and what did you do in morning, they never ask you, right? Always discuss with them in a professional topic. Or if you meet in your relatives or your neighbors or family member, they always talk within a different matter, right? That's why we have to make a to-do list professional way also, non-professional way also. Both are required in our life because we 80% meet only non-professional people in our life, and 20% or 15% we always meet a professional people. Right. After office, you never interact with professional people. Right. 8 hours you always interact with professional people inside your office. Right, but we never talk with them in a means communication, right? We always interact with them through language. That is a so many thing. Language is a ocean, right? If we discuss that kind of matter, because if we get like-minded people, then we discuss and we can um, discuss about everything, right? But we never get like-minded people, then we cannot do it, because you want to enhance your language because you are a good speaker, your mode of speaking is excellent, outstanding, powerful, good at, remarkable, everything okay, but you want to polish your fluency or confidence, because if you get promotion in future, you always interact with higher authority people and well educated professional people, right? That's why you are focusing right now in this communication, right? Yeah. Otherwise, because why we people depend in this type of platform? Because we don't have language partner and we don't have atmosphere. And this type of platform provide atmosphere, including language partner. At least we get chance to interact with them and we get chance to deliver our thought in front of them and we get chance to 5 to 10 minutes to talk with them, right? Yeah. Otherwise, not. I don't do anything. I am unemployed. I completed simple graduation. Mhm. Mhm. Thank you. Thanks for, of course, I follow reading, writing. I Mhm. Yeah, you're absolutely right. I'm a language learner. I know about language because because we always think we don't have language partner and atmosphere. It is a we always blame and complain. It is a excuse, right? You have to create that kind of atmosphere around us. No one can help you. You have to help yourself. That is only a simple technique, right? Because we have to create that kind of atmosphere around us. We can do it. Otherwise, even though at least one page we should read per day. Then, because we improve our vocabulary also and we trained our mind also, and speaking comes by speaking, right? And it is a mind to tongue, because our mind to tongue is a not a trained mind.